hope everyone is doing fine tonight. A little story before I get into this friend mail. I've always wanted to go to Australia ever since I seen that movie Crocodile Dundee. I always wanted to go to Australia because I love the accent, and then the koala bears and what I'm saying, everything like that. So it's so funny. I always wanted to go there. I actually met someone, one of my subscribers, that's from Australia. So I was so happy. I was like, I always wanted to go there. And so we messaged back and forth. And some items that we show on our haul over here, they don't have over there. So I did send her a little package, of some of the items from over here, So yeah. So it's so funny. So she turned around and sent me something. She didn't have to, and I appreciate it and everything. Yeah, but her name is Kelly. I want to say her name is is Crue, Kelly, and then her last name is Crue on YouTube. Okay, so if y'all haven't went over there and checked her out, go over there and check her out. Subscribe to her channel. She's trying to build her family like we are. So please go over there and subscribe to her channel. I know she will greatly appreciate it. Okay, so here is the box that I got today in the mail right here. Okay, so I already cut it open, but I hadn't opened it yet. So now I'm gonna open it. Let's see here. Oh, look at here. Look how pretty. She got it decorated. Look at that. With the pink paper. Look at that. Yes. That is so pretty. All right. I'm gonna put the camera down so you can see everything, okay? Put the camera down so you can see. She put me a card in here, which I'll read this later on my own. Okay. All right, this is so pretty. I like this pink, of course. So yeah, let me get into this box. Let me see. I'll put it over this way because this top can lay on the top. I was trying to do it while the top won't be in the way. Let me see. Oh shoot. Well, maybe I can do it like this. Okay. All right. Okay, so we're gonna. Oh, look, now, see what I'm saying? Look, she individually, look at this. She individually wrapped, okay? That is so sweet. She individually wrapped the item. Okay, we're gonna go into this. Oh, look at this. Look at this right here. It says Australia. Oh, kangaroos. Yes, I'm telling y'all, I always wanted to go there because of the koala bears and kangaroos, and yes, and their accent. I love to hear them talk. Yes, look at this. It's so cute. I love it, and it will go with a whole bunch of different things. Blue, yellow, pink, green, orange, white. Yes, I love this. And it's got the little tag says "Hello Australia" on the front. Oh my goodness, this is so. I wanted y'all to see, but I'm just gonna raise it back up so really y'all can see my face as I go through this package, okay? And then there's some in the inside, so I'm gonna open it up. And all right. Oh, this is so sweet. Look at this right here. This is cute as pie. Look at this. It is a nursing charm. Look. It has nursing on the front. It says nursing. It says nursing, and then it says work. It says nursing, nursing, work, and then heart right here. Look at that. And then you have one that's the picture of a nurse right here. Look at that. And then you have, let me see, what was it? What's this? Oh, a mask. That's a mask. And then you have thermometer. Let me see. Thermometer. Yeah. This is too cute. I love this. Oh my goodness. I love anything that's, you know, nursing too. I like nursing stuff. Shirts and stuff like that. That is too cute. Yes, I love it. Okay. Next. Oh, okay, these are the cooling gel iPads. And then the donuts. Look at that. With sprinkles. I love these. I can't wait to use these because I need to. Yes, ma'am. These eyes here. I need that. I am just loving my items. Okay, now another one right here. Let's see, open it up. Oh, look at this, it's so pretty, look. It's a lemon. This is so cute. Change first. Oh, I love it. That's the inside of it. Yes, this is too cute. Oh my goodness. And then it has a little leaf on it right here. This is too cute with the bling on it. I love this. I can't wait to use them. Look, I'm trying to think now. What bag, look, what bag I got I can use this in. Yes. Oh, I know. I got a Michael Kors white bag. Okay. And I got a yellow shirt, yellow outfit shirt with yellow and white. Oh, let me quit, y'all. I'm finna tell y'all about a whole outfit and everything. I'm just excited. Yes. All right, so moving right along. Okay, we got another package right here. All right. Oh, it's some nails, look. That's my color, that's my color, that's my color. Oh, and some stickers to go on the nails. And then some more nails. Oh, look at these, it's so pretty. Look at that. They like, what you call it? Hieroglyphic, because they like a mirror like there. Yeah. I can't describe it, but yeah, those are so pretty. Yes, I can't wait. Yes, yes. All right. Next, got one right here. This is, what is it, air freshener? A zipper, oh no, a zipper bag. Strawberry cupcake. Let's see, let's open this up. That's how it looks on the front. Look at that. That look good. I need that right now to eat. Oh, let me see. So I can get this open so we can see what it is. Let's see. I know it's a place right here you can open it. I'll see it. I think that's what it is. Oh, it's on the back here. Okay. All right, there we go. So we're gonna see what this is. Oh, some little bags, look. Oh, these are so cute. You can put whatever you want in here, candy or whatever you want in here. These are cute. I'm trying to get these. Yeah, there we go. Yes, these are so cute. Look at that. You can put whatever you want to in these little pouches. These are so cute. I love these. With the cupcake on there. That's what I said. That just make me That makes me want a cupcake looking at that. Look at that. These are so cute. I love that. And then you got the pink stripe like what? Victoria's Secret? The stripes on here? Yeah. This is so cute. I love this. All right, moving right along to, let's see what else we're gonna find in here. Got another package right here. Right here. All right. Oh, some more nails, look. Oh, these are so cute. Look, those are so pretty. Oh, and some butterfly stickers to go on them. Look at that. So cute. So cute. Oh, and there's some, oh, look at these. I love these. Look at those. I love everything anyway. You know, I love everything. Look at those. Pink with the white tips. Those are too cute. Oh my goodness. That makes me want to take mine off that I got on right now and put these on. You know what I'm saying? Yes. All right, moving right along to the next item. Okay. Oh, some more nails. Look at these. Oh, these are so cute. Look at that. Yes, I love those. Like I said, I love everything. You know what I'm saying? But these are cute. They got polka dots on them. Yeah, and I guess it's a, I don't know if that's probably a bat. I think it's a bat. Yeah, some bats on them. Yeah, these are so cute. I'm gonna be fixed up now in the nail department. All right. Okay, let's make sure I'm getting everything. Okay, okay, we got one right here. Let's see here. Oh, it's a cute pen. Look at this. With the rainbow on the top. That is so cute. I'm trying to see if I left the top down there. Okay. And this is, look at this. Look at this right here. Woo-wee, woo-wee. It's party time. It's party time. This is a keychain. Look, it has a, this is so pretty. I like this. I have to find somewhere. I'll put this in here in my room. This is so pretty. I love that. Okay. That is pretty. And then my pen right here has a little tip on the end right here. See the little tip to cover it up. But that's such a cute pen. I'm gonna put it up here with the rest of my pens up here. All right. Moving right along. Okay, we got this package right here. Let's see here. Oh, look at that. Look how cute this is. Look at this. And it's a keychain. Look, it'll go on your key. Look at that, how cute that is. Oh, look at that unicorn. Oh, it's a pen. There it is. Oh, I had to take the paper off of it. Paper had to, I had to take the paper off of it. I just pulled it right out. But I'll fix it back together in a minute. But that is so cute. And then, like I said, you can put it on your keys if you want to. Or put it on the outside of your purse if you want to. But yeah, this is too cute. I had to have this for my daughter because she loved unicorn. Anything unicorn, she loved unicorn. So yeah, I had to hide this because she'll be over here. She'll be like, is that a unicorn? Is that a unicorn you got? You know you don't like unicorns. Yeah, that girl there. She loves some unicorns now. She got them up around her room and everything. Bags. And when I see stuff with unicorns on them, I'll buy it for her. And she just be tinkle pink. Yep. All right. Moving right along to the next one. All right. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so pretty. Look at that. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly bow. Let's see. Yes. This is, see. Oh my goodness, this is pretty. Look at all them colors. Look at that. That is so pretty. This would be, you know what? This would make a pretty pen too. You know, if you had a pen to put on you, look at that. That would look so pretty. Look how that look on there. That would look so pretty. Oh my goodness. It's pretty anyway. Oh my goodness, I don't have enough hair to hold it right now. But yes. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love that. All righty. Moving right along, just filling. I think one more thing. I think that is it in this box. And this is the last thing right here. So open this up. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Some more nails. Pink one is that. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna be in heaven. And guess what? I'm gonna have to hide these from my daughter too. Because I think these are called, I forgot what shape this is. But anyway, this is what she wears. Honey, I had to hide them because she come over here and see these right here. Oh, mama, give me some out of that. And her son is really, she want the whole pack. Really, that's what she be wanting. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Yes. I love that. Well, Kelly Crew, you just done showed out on me. That's what you did. I love everything from this, and I'm gonna keep this right here, cause honey, this kit right here I would reuse and put in some gifts, cause I usually don't put this. If I have some, I'll use it, but yeah, but I love this, and so I'm gonna keep it and reuse it, yeah. And I love everything that you sent me, and I appreciate it, cause you didn't have to do it. I wasn't looking for anything when I sent you. You know, I was just. You know, I just felt like I wanted to do that, you know. So that's why I did it. But I sure do appreciate you sending me these goodies. Thank you. I appreciate it. Well, I hope y'all did enjoy the video. Like I said, please go over to Kelly Crew. That's Kelly, C-R-U-E, on YouTube. And subscribe to her channel. Because, like I said, she's trying to build her family just like we are building ours, okay? Our YouTube family. All right? All right. And everyone have a good night, and I will see y'all later, okay? Bye.